Good morning and welcome back to my channel. I am in Manchester at the moment. It's a little bit rainy and windy, and today videos we will go to Wigan, and after that we will drive down to Chester. As you can see, the weather is not very good. It's not cold, but it's raining. I mean, it's drizzling. So yeah, I'll show a little bit around. Exactly how I told you, it started raining. It's a little bit windy. So you can see there is a little bit of blue sky. So let's hope it's gonna be okay. And yeah, look at this area here in Manchester. We have there Deva, Asda, a lot of things here. If you go here right, you go to the Lorry Hotel, which, if I'm right, is a 5-star hotel in that way. Yeah, you can see here supermarkets. Yeah. Let me show you here right, the Lorry Hotel. So you can see there, it's just a half, that one, the glass building over there, that's the Lorry. And here in the front we have a little church, I think it is. Yeah, a little church. Check this out. Little tiny church in the middle of the square, which I think is beautiful. Yeah, okay guys. Here it is. It says it's 9:45. I need to be in Wigan at 11. Okay. See you in Wigan, guys. Hello from Wigan. So here it is. We arrived in Wigan. This is the place. You can see. We have a street over there. I don't know what is there. We're going to the city center, where I will show you how the city center is look like. It's not a very busy place. I mean, for a town, it's busy. The terrace here from summer. Yeah. Let's see how it looks like. We go to cross the road. There it is. Here is Wigan. I don't know if you guys have been in Wigan before. Please let me know in the comments. And subscribe please for more videos. So today is a cold day. It's, I think there are 4 or 3 degrees here. I can't remember exactly when I check the temperature. So yeah, we have this street here. So slowly we get to the city center. It's not far away from where I am. There it is. Let's see people on the street. It's not that busy. It's a Monday morning today. A winter morning in Wigan. And yeah, barber shop over there if you want to cut your hair. In there, that red building is like no Chinese. Take a look. So here is the busiest place. We are in a city center now, town center. Actually, it's a city, I think. Let me know in the comments if it's a city or a town, please. Because I don't know. It's the second time for me here. It's a Nero cafe over here. If you fancy a coffee. You can see the clouds are very dark. I think it's that feeling like it's gonna snow, not rain. Because when it's about to raining, it's a little bit different. I have a horrible cough from 2 days. I don't know why. I think because it's cold outside and I'm drinking cold things, cold water. You can see here in the front, that's a nice Starbucks over there. This is a nice building. You can see, guys. I think this is the mall. Let me know if there's somebody from Wigan who can help me about that building, if it's the mall or not. When I say mall, I mean shopping center. We call in Europe mall. Probably here it's totally different. Let's just go from here. This building over here, very interesting architecture. It's a Tudor architectures. There it is. Please let me know, guys, if you know type of architecture is. And here is the city center. You can see the cathedral over there. It's 12:05. We have here the water spoon. A bit windy today. I'll show you a little shot here. There it is. Guys. Tell me what you think about. It's very quiet. You don't really have things to do here, to be honest with you. It's a little place, this street. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So the last step is gonna be Chester. Just want to show you the post office over here. There it is. There we go. So if it's somebody from Wigan who watched this video, please like and subscribe. And yeah, see you in Chester. Here you go, guys, on a motorway to Chester. Here it is. Okay, I will be there in 15 minutes. I will let you know when I'm there. Welcome to Chester, guys. So we are here in the middle of the town, actually almost in the middle of the town. So you see, we have here very district architecture. It's not something what you can find everywhere. We have a lot of pubs. Yeah, it's a rainy day today. Just want to show you around. I just arrived here. I will not stay longer because I need to go to Manchester. Please let me know in a comment what you think about Chester. Do you like the place? Here it is. And if you'll be here before, it's a small, I don't know if it's a town or a city. Please let me know in the comment. Yeah, you can see very interesting architecture. We go to the center, town center or city, exactly how I say. I don't know what is. I know probably you'll say why you don't do make your research before you take the video, but I just was in a, for my excuse, I just been in a rush and I didn't check too much. There it is. It's a shame it's not a nice weather to see the sun and the sunny. I'll not talk too much about, I will just let you enjoy the view. So let me close the road here. Look at this boots. It's one of the most beautiful boots that I saw in England. See? There it is. Beautiful. We're just going straight. If I'm right, this is the Tudor architecture that is in a town. Let's see. I have a bridge over there. I think you can walk on that one, but I will not gonna do today because it's not the purpose of this video to walk on a bridge. The purpose is just to take you for a little walk to see what this place is about. And yeah, just to enjoy a little bit. Look at these buildings over here, all the beautiful. God knows for how many years is that one. Please let me know in the comments if you know how many years it's. So yeah, beautiful. There it is. Nice. And I think here they are not cars allowed. Yeah. Here we go. And the clock is working. Let me check. Yeah, it is working. This one over there. There it is. Look at this. It's a next over there, so literally all the buildings are old, but they look so beautiful. See? Unfortunately, it's not very good weather, so can enjoy, but it's gonna be in the summer, so maybe the next video is gonna be in the summer. Please let me know in the comments when you want me to take that the next video, to make the next video. Yeah, let's go on this street. And we have a Northwest here in the left side. A lot of shops, shoes shops. You can see over there. Actually, they are just shoes shops here, and we will get it. I think here is the center. Clothes over there, white stuff. That's the name of the place. Over there in the front we have a glasses shop. So yeah, look at the cathedral here in the front of me. Let me see this one. It's a lot of history here. This place, look at that beautiful street. Here it is. Look at this. So yeah. and beautiful. There it is. Let me show you these buildings, guys. Beautiful, isn't it? Let me know what you think about. And I enjoy doing this type of videos. I just want to say I'm in the beginning of my YouTube era, to say like that. It's not era, but yeah. And please don't be very hard with me, because yes, I'm beginner. Here is, this is the beautiful place. Wow. Well, you can see here this square. Well, we're going back. Let's see that one over there. Let's go on this street. Coastal Lane. There we go. And this beautiful pretty street. I reckon in the summer here there are terraces. There are tables on the side that you can have like a drink, food. Depends what you are fancy. But it's good to see what's happening in winter time. So we are in February. Is today, if I'm right, 10th of February. Look at this beautiful shop. Wow, jewelry shop. Yeah. This is the restaurant over here. Not too much things, but yeah, it's a beautiful place. And I'm glad I have the chance to come here today. We will walk in this way. Well, not too many things here. Here it's a tattoo studio. You can see over there, guys. Look, that building is so beautiful. Absolutely amazing. Let's see where we're going from here. Here it is. Look at these guys. Beautiful. We're going in this way again. So yeah, I just want to say thank you for watching this video till this point, and let me know in a comment if you like another video about Chester or maybe other places where you want me to go. And don't forget to like and subscribe. It's helped me a lot because I'm new in YouTube. I just do this, I start doing this in October, end of October. So yeah, any suggestion, any advice, I will follow it. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video, and see you in the next video. Allora.